Hello, Unstoppables. Welcome to another delightful rendezvous at Unstoppable Academy. Today, we're immersing ourselves in the world of creativity and expression as two friends plan a day at the art gallery. Get ready for a palette of emotions, artistic insights, and the joy of discovering beauty in every stroke. I'm your guide, and this is Unstoppable Academy. Let's jump into the canvas of conversation.
Hello. How are you today?
Hi. I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm great, thanks. I was thinking of doing something different this weekend. How about a visit to the art gallery?
That sounds interesting. I haven't been to an art gallery in ages. Which one were you thinking of?
There's a new exhibit at the City Art Gallery. They have a mix of paintings, sculptures, and even some interactive installations.
Wow, that sounds diverse. I'm in. What kind of art do you enjoy the most?
I appreciate all forms of art, but I'm particularly drawn to abstract paintings. The colors and shapes always captivate me. What about you?
I like realistic paintings that tell a story. It's amazing how artists can capture moments so vividly.
Definitely. And there's something special about interpreting abstract art. It allows your imagination to roam freely.
True. Do you have a favorite artist?
I really admire Vincent van Gogh. His use of color and texture is mesmerizing. How about you?
I'm a fan of Leonardo da Vinci. His attention to detail is incredible, especially in The Last Supper and Mona Lisa.
Excellent choices. We'll see if the gallery has any pieces by them. After the gallery, we could grab a coffee and discuss our favorite artworks. What do you think?
Sounds like a plan. I'm looking forward to it. What day were you thinking?
How about this Saturday afternoon? The gallery is less crowded then.
Saturday works for me. I'll see you there.
Perfect. Let's appreciate some art and have a great time discussing it.
Agreed. See you on Saturday.
And there you have it, Unstoppables. A day well spent at the art gallery, exploring the diverse world of creativity. If you enjoyed this artistic journey, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more cultural escapades, and share your favorite artists or artworks in the comments below. Art has a unique way of connecting us, so let's keep the conversation alive. Until our next cultural expedition, stay unstoppable and keep embracing the beauty around you. This is Unstoppable Academy, signing off. See you in the next masterpiece.